Superior Bundle. Your complete cereal container bundle comes with 6 premium BPA-free food storage canisters, a chalkboard marker, 12 bonus reusable chalkboard labels allowing you to organize your pantry like never before. Keep the crunchiness alive. Imagine waking up every morning to cereal with the same original taste each day. Versatile containers. Many great uses. These airtight food-safe plastic containers are not only ideal for storing cereals but are also perfect for storing flour, brown sugar, rice, grains, pasta, coffee, and even pet food. Space-saving design. These durable cereal holders have been especially designed to minimize space and will easily fit into your refrigerator, freezer or cupboards, which enables you to get the kitchen organized and frees up space in the pantry. Easy pouring, space-saving. Adopt the button-type exit design. Food can be poured directly out of the mouth, reducing the steps to open the lid to make life more convenient. Our reusable rectangular cereal containers are slim and easy to carry, requiring less space. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect pantry organization. I love these containers. They are a great size. I can't fit a box of cereal in them, but they're not so huge that overtake my pantry. They're durable and make my pantry look organized. I like the addition of the labels and chalkboard pen. I am definitely going to buy more.